Hello everyone, it's lesson number 21, HSK 1. We will learn new words today. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. First word for today, 现在. 现在, it's now. 现在. Let's see. What time is it now? 现在几点了？几点了？现在 now 几 how much, which, no, you can say how much, how many hours. So what time is it? 几点 点 we will see later. It's hour, so hour. Le represent change of situation. So like for example, or it could be emphasizing. Don't need to dig in this grammar. So 现在几点了？几点了？ What time is it now? Word now. So now and what time? So 现在几点了？ How many hours right now? I'm very busy now. Next example. 我现在很忙。我现在很忙。I right now is very busy. So I'm very busy now. 我现在很忙。So this word, we need to emphasize on this word. Where are you now? 你现在在哪儿？ You right now 现在在哪儿？在哪儿？ At which place? So where are you now? 你现在在哪儿？ Two in a row. So, but you can separate. So don't be confused. And last one example. Let's go eat now. 现在我们去吃饭吧。吃饭吧。Right now, we to go to somewhere, to go to the what? 吃饭。To eat and ba for let's do something. 现在我们去吃饭吧。For example, your friend, you can say it to your children or to your friends. Next one is 点 it's hour. It's this word has a lot of meanings, this character, but here is hour. For example, it's 3 o'clock now. 现在是3点。现在是3点。Right now is 3 o'clock. 3 hour. So you can say it's 3 o'clock. 现在是3点。3点。What time do you get up? 你几点起床？你几点？ You can say 4 in a row, but 你几点起床？ Or you can say 你几点起床？ If you can speak fast, it's right. So, but let's let's add some intonation. So 你几点 What time do you 起床？起床 it's to get up. 起 here is it's like to get up, and 床 it's a bed where you lay down, for example. So 起床 it's to wake up, to get up from the bed. So get up. 你几点起床？起床。The movie starts at the 7 o'clock. 电影几点开始？电影 it's a movie. 电影 it's electric shadow. So you can say 电影 it's movie. 几点 it's 7 点 hour. So 几点 7 o'clock. 开始 it's to start something. So movie starts at 7 o'clock. 电影几点开始？ Let's see next. Let's meet at 6 o'clock. 我们6点见面吧。我们6点 we at 6 o'clock. 见面 it's to see face to face, or just to meet. So 见面吧 and ba also for let's do something. 我们6点见面吧 Let's meet at 7, at 6. Next one. 分 first one. 分 it's minute or minute. It's 10 minutes past 3 now. 现在是3点10分 Right now 现在是3点3 hours and 10分10 minutes. So 10 minutes past 3 after 3 or 3:10. 现在是3点10分 Next one. The movie starts at 7:20. 电影7点20分开始 Movie 电影 What's time? 7点 7 o'clock 20分 to 10 minutes, so 20 minutes. 20分开始 So movie starts at 7:20. 电影7点20分开始 to start something. We still have 5 minutes. 我们还有5分钟。我们还有 we already know it's to have something. Here's still. For example, I still have something. I still need to do something. So basically, still. 我们还有 I still have. We still have. 我们还有5 分钟 5 minutes. Let's continue. We still have 5 minutes. 我们还有 we still have 5分钟 5 minutes, and 钟 here is represent it's you can say like o'clock. It's really represent this clocks, clocks. Let's say 5分钟 clock, bell, hour, minute. So you can literally it's like in English 7 o'clock, because 几点 it's 7, but it's 7 hour, but we can say it's 7 o'clock. So I think you can even translate it like 5分钟 straight 5 minutes and no seconds more or no minutes more. So like I forgot this name. 5 minutes. So let's next. He was 10 minutes late. 他迟到了10分钟。他迟到了。迟到 it's to be late. Late. So but here's le represent it was already finished. So he was already late. Interesting. Here is verb. Delay, tardy, arrive, behind time, late. Delay. So 他迟到了10分钟 He was late for 10 minutes. Let's continue. Next one. 中午 中it's middle. 午 it's noon. So like a day. But it's really hard to explain. Afternoon, noon, lunch. So you can 中午 it's because we have 上午 we have 下午 afternoon, before noon, but 中午 it's straight to noon, like midday, so 12 o'clock. Let's go eat together at noon. 中午我们一起去吃饭吧。中午 at midnight or at midday at noon 我们一起 together, we together, 一起 together, to do what? To 吃饭吧. Let's eat together some food. And ba, I remember it's for let's. Remind. Next one, the sun is very hot at noon. 中午的太阳很热. A few new words today. 太阳 yang, it's like in yang. Maybe you know it's yang represent good something like light, and yin represent some dark, some black, something. So yang, here's where you can see this key represent sun, but taiyang, big light, big sun, so it's sun. Taiyang, yang, male. It also represents male in some culture. So 中午的太阳 it's a sun. 很热 it's hot. So 很热 it's very hot. You can read it like 热 很热, but Chinese hardly pronounce this letter. Like in English word car, we don't say car, we say car. So here is the same. 很热中午的太阳很热. Midnight sun is very hot. So the sun is very hot at noon. Next one. What do you want to eat for lunch? 你中午吃什么？你中午 at midday at lunch 吃什么？ Eat what? So what do you want to eat? What do you eat? Not want. So 你中午吃什么？ We will meet at 12 noon. 中午12点 it's 12 hours at noon, so 12 noon. 我们见面 we meet each other, so we will meet at 12. 中午12点我们见面 we will meet. Next one is 吃饭 to eat something. For example, let's go eat together. 我们一起去吃饭吧. We together 一起 to do what? To 吃饭 to go to somewhere, to go to eat, and 饭 here is represent some food. So 吃饭 it's you can translate like to eat food, but really it's just to eat. 我们一起去吃饭吧. Let's eat. Next one. Have you eaten? 你吃饭了吗？你吃饭了吗？你吃了吗？你吃了 It could be also, it could be, I think. 你吃了？你吃饭了吗？ Also, yeah, both right. But could not say 你饭了吗？ I like eating at home. 我喜欢在家吃饭. I like 我喜欢在家 at home 吃饭 to eat at home. Don't talk while eating. 吃饭的时候不要说话。吃饭的时候it's I think it could be translated like time. For example, in that time, point, moment. Here is I think better moment. So which moment? 时候 it's moment, for example. Which moment? And there describe this moment. 吃饭 moment when you eat. Eating moment you can say. Or eating time when you eat. 吃饭的时候 so 的时候 represent while something I think. Let's see. You can say when, in a moment, For example, 吃饭的时候 you can translate when you eat. So when and eat. 吃饭的时候 for example, 我小的时候 when I was small or when I was little, you can say 我看书的时候 when I read a book, at the time when I read a book, or just when I read a book. So 吃饭的时候不要说话，不要 don't need to 说话 to speak speech. To speak words, you can say to speak something like, but it could be also just talk. 说话，说话。吃饭的时候不要说话，不要 don't need to don't. Next one 时候 time. When will you come back? 你什么时候回来？你什么时候 It could be represent just one word when. 什么 what and 时候 time. So what time or when? 你什么时候回来 It's to come to something. 回 it's mean to come back. Like it's represent it express when you move towards me, like to back to something. But let's skip for now because it's HSK free. 你什么时候回来？回来 just come back. We chat while eating. 我们吃饭的时候聊天聊天。我们吃饭的时候 we when we eat at time when we eat or when we eat while we eating. 吃饭的时候聊天聊天。聊 it's represent to like talking, chatting, some chit chatting when you just talk about nothing. 聊天 it's not some discussion, it's just about something like weather, something not important, I think, because we have another word for something more important. What time is it now? 现在是什么时候？现在是什么时候？ Right now is what 什么 which or you can say 时候 time. So 什么时候？现在是什么时候？ What time is it now? It could be. We can say 现在几点？现在几月几号 also good to say. But time, it's like what time is it? What time is it now? 现在是什么时候？ Next one. I was at home. I don't. It's a lot of new words for today, but we will practice on the next lesson, so don't be worried. I was at home when he came back. 他回来的时候，我在家。他回来 it's come back. So at the time 的时候 when he came back, when he came back, 回来的时候 where was I? I was at home. 我在家，我在家 I at home. Next one is 回 it's return, come back. For example, when will you go home? 你什么时候回家？回 it's here's to return. 你什么时候 at which time? You 回家 to came back, to return home, to go home. He returned to Beijing. 他回北京了。哦，sorry，他回北京了。他回 he came back because returned because l represent it's already finished. It's already done. 他回北京。So he already returned. 他回北京了。回 I go home at 5 every day. 我每天 every day 5点 at 5 o'clock 回家 came back, so go home. 我每天5点回家5点。Please call me back. 请回电话给我。Sorry. 请 please 请回电话给我。We could say they skip 回 it's come back, but please call me back. No. It's everything is alright. Please 请回电话给我。电话 it's phone call. 给 it's for someone. 我 for me. So 电话给我 it's phone call for me. But 回 here is represent back. So 请回电话给我。Give me a call back. Oh, please call me back. 请回电话给我。Let's skip for now. It's a bit complicated. And I think we will find some better examples. Next one, woman. Woman, we already know this word. Wo, it's I, and man form plural form. Let's go to it together. 我们一起去吃饭吧. We already see it quite a lot of time. We together 一起 to go to. To go to what? 吃饭吧 to eat meal or to eat just to eat. 吃饭吧. We are good friends. 我们是好朋友。我们是好朋友。We good. We is we are. 好 good 朋友 friends. So 我们是好朋友。We live in Beijing. 我们住在北京。我们住在住 it's to live somewhere. To locate it. To I think it's about for example, I live in my house. I live at the house of my friend, so just live. 我们住在北京 at Beijing. We like watching movies. 我们喜欢看电影。我们喜欢 we like 看 here is represent to watch. 电影 it's movies. So 我们喜欢看电影。And next one, it's a movie. 电影 it's a movie. Electric Shadow. Let's go watch a movie. 我们去看电影吧。我们去看 we go and watch what? Some movies. 电影 movie. 电影 and bar for let's. So let's go and watch a movie. 我们去看电影吧。Next one. The movie is very good. 这部电影很好看。Here is a new word. 不 It's just a measure word. It has a lot of meanings, but here is just a measure word for movies. You can say 这个电影 or you can say 这部电影. That's movie. 很好看. 很好看 is very good to watch. So it's very good. 很好看. What kind of movies do you like to watch? 你喜欢看什么电影？你喜欢 you like to what to do what 看 you 喜欢看 to watch 什么电影 what movies which movies so what kind of movies the movie starts at 7 o'clock 电影7点开始电影 movie 7点 7 o'clock 开始 to start so 电影7点开始 movie starts at 7 next word 住 to live somewhere I live in Beijing 我住在北京我住在北京 I live at Beijing so pretty obvious where do you live 你住在哪儿你住在哪儿 You live at which place so at where 在哪儿 He lives near my house 他住在我家附近他住在 He lives at 我家附近 Here's a new word 附近 it's near so you can say he live at my house near so he lives near my house 他住在我家附近 near to my house or at my house near area you can say 他住在我家附近 it's also pretty advanced word so don't need to remember next one we live together 我们住在一起我们住在一起 we live 在here's you can 在一起 at together you can say we live together stay together so 在 here is like a part of word 我们住在一起 next word 前 is ahead before in front please stand in front of me 请站在我前面 please 请站 it represent to stand or it represent for example bus station standing stop side a lot of translation but every start with s no it's something about not moving you can imagine 请站在 at 我前面面 it's a side 前 the side in front of me so 请站在我前面 at my front he left 5 minutes ago 他5分钟前离开了他5分钟前离开了 he 5 minutes so here 5分钟 5 minutes 前 here is represent ahead of me or before me you can say 他5分钟前 before 5 minutes before to do what he did what 离开了 it's to left to leave something so leave left 离开了他5分钟前离开了5分钟前离开了we wash our hands before eating 我们吃饭前洗手我们we 吃饭 when we eat something 我们吃饭前 before we eat 洗手 It's to洗 represent to wash something. 手 represent a hand. So 我们吃饭前洗手。Before we eat, we need to wash our hands. Next one. There is a store ahead. 前面有一家商店。Ahead of us, so the area in front of us, there is 有一家 Chinese measure word for some businesses. So 一家商店. This is shop, store. 商店. So there is a store ahead of us. 前面有一家商店. And last word for today. 北京, Beijing. I live at Beijing. 我住在北京。我住在北京。I live at Beijing. Beijing is very big. 北京很大。北京很大。Beijing is very big. Is big. So 北京很大。We will go to Beijing next month. 我们下个月去北京。我们 we 下个月。下个 it represent next. 下个月 next month. 月 it's a month. 我们下个月 next month to go to 北京 go to Beijing. So 我们下个月去北京。And last sentence for today. Beijing has many historical sites. 北京有很多名胜古迹。I think it's our first Chengyu. Our first idiom. 北京有很多 has a lot of 名胜古迹。It could be translated like it's a special Chinese words, scenic spots and historical sites, you can say. But it's just for emphasize, just you to know you have so much to learn, but we're on the right way. 北京有很多名胜古迹 historical sites. And let's repeat our words for today. First one, 现在 now 现在。点 hour 点。分 minute. 中午 noon 中午。吃饭 to eat. 时候 time. 回 to return. 我们 we. 电影 movie. 住 to live somewhere. 前 ahead, before, in front, 前. And Beijing is Beijing. So it's all words for today. We will practice them in the next lesson. So I think it's really a lot of new words. But don't be worried. It will be eventually slowly memorized. So let's see you in the next episode.